Hello, folks. Welcome to my winning circle. Hi, my name is Suavo, and we're gonna go ahead and pick Powerball numbers for tomorrow's drawing. Tomorrow's January 19th, and we'll see how it's gonna go. What I want to do though is I want to concentrate on actually analyzing the numbers, the patterns with you. So we're gonna look at every single one of them closely, and we're gonna see if we can actually see something similar uh, that's happening now, something that happened actually in the past. Okay, so first things first. This whole figure. Take a look at this. This whole figure right here in the middle is crazy. Then you have everything up to two. So it seems like this should have been the next one, and therefore everything here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 drawings would have been uh, um, making that whole figure. It's interesting, but it's a risk. That is, what the Powerball or whatever lottery you're playing, based on this algorithm that I wrote to analyze it, the symmetry that's happening right now here in this whole figure of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So far, 13 drawings, which there are pretty much uh, 8 to 9 drawings in a month. So we're over a month, folks. That's huge. Okay. So within that, getting close to the last one, that's like super crazy ridiculous. This happening is it's so rare, okay? But the question is, why wouldn't you risk it, okay? Still, what it likes to do is right there at the end of what you see as a pattern, it likes to change and start something new. So then it could have been two and two and one and stuff like that. And it's not always uh, symmetrical figure that happens. Sometimes it's continuation of something repetitive happening, like here 2 1 0 2 1 0, and then look at that, you had three twos, two twos, one two, and then three twos, right? So it's just like, and then same figure again. It's crazy seeing it happen. Or here 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, so but anyway, let's take a look at all the patterns and see what's going on here. So, um, what is the green pattern? The green pattern is a pattern, supportive pattern, in a sense. It actually analyzes how the numbers moved up and down in respect to the previous number. Okay, so for example, this zero pretty much tells you that um, from a certain point we went down one field, and that's what it does. It tells you that the neutral number in this case is 2. If you picked the same number as last drawing, then you would have had 2. That's the neutral number in this case. On spread of 3, if you pick one down, it's going to be one down. If you could pick one up, then it's going to be one up on the green one as well. But it always changes because it's in respect to the previous drawing. Okay, so that's extremely important to remember. I know it's confusing, but if you really think about it, you'll know what I mean. So far, what do we have? That, for example, looked like this was going to be something similar here, but it's not. For a second, then I was like, oops. So what do we have? What do we have? What do we have, folks? Take a look at this. 0 1 1 2 0. 0 1 1 2 0. And the next one, 2. I'm gonna pick that 2. I'm not even gonna think twice. I see this happen before already, and I'm gonna pick this then. Make sense? And we're gonna pick usually from threes because threes are easier. They're gonna give us more choices, but hopefully, it's gonna give us more correct uh, picks at the end of all this. And we're gonna go through uh, and mix up R1s, B1s, R2s, B2s, and so on. Okay. So we don't have anything over here. Look at this. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0. Boom. It looks like this one's gonna come out. Let's take a look at the other ones. If we have anything similar to this one. And this is crazy. So in case you don't see, we have 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, and the next one 0. Why wouldn't I want to pick this, folks? Just somebody tell me, please. This is gonna be probably 0, but we're not gonna play it. We're gonna concentrate only on only picking patterns that already happened, and we're gonna follow them, folks. Okay, that's our number one. It's pointless to go to R2 and B2 since we found something happening on both R1 and B1. So obviously there's no 4 1s in a row, so we're not even gonna pay attention to this, and this is obviously not happening anywhere here. Mm, this is interesting, but I don't see. I'm looking at this. Moving on. I know it sounds crazy, but I keep on wondering if this is happening. Let's move on and take a look at the other ones. So look at this, folks. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2. A reflection of its own. We're gonna risk it. We can only make an educated guess, and uh, that's what we're doing right now. Oh, look at this one. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Obviously, this is a figure, so we're just gonna skip it. We're looking for something that previously happened, and we want to see it happen again. Right, right, right. That's another figure. This is 100% that it's gonna come out. This, folks, 100%. Just because I know it will, I'm gonna play it. That's all. Um, but I might be wrong. So since I know I've seen this pattern happen so many times, and for that matter, if you take a look, you have reverse over here of this whole thing. Take a this is the amazing part about lottery. Take a look at this. So we have 1, 14202. 14202. And what's the next one after that? It's 1. And we're playing 1. There's no question about it, folks. It's its own reflection. Here is here. Okay? It's really nice to see that happen. We'll see what's gonna come out. We're gonna follow up on all these patterns, and we're gonna make a video tomorrow. So it'll be very interesting to see if they actually, and how many of them actually came out, just like we're predicting right now. Okay, folks. What is this? What is this? What is this? I would want to see this actually reflecting on itself, but it's not enough for us to actually determine that. This is a huge possibility, folks. This is huge possibility. What else we got? I pulled my back a little bit today, so finding a comfortable space, position sitting on my very comfortable chair is even hard. Do we have anything like this? Doesn't look like anywhere close. Do we have anything like this? Also doesn't really look like it's anywhere there. Do we have anything like this? No. And well, is it repeating itself? That's a good question. It would be a continuation of this very symmetrical figure, and the next one would have been 3. So who knows? Is this happening anywhere close? Yeah, there you go. 0 0 0 1 0 2. Boom. There it is. And I'm not even gonna argue. Thank you so much for coming. B2. How am I not supposed to pick this, folks? That's like a given. How am I not supposed to pick this? Whatever, right? This is going quicker than I thought. Alright, well, we got over here. We have this figure. The closest one here is this. Actually, this, right? So what is it going to be? Is it going to be this one? Or is it going to be this one? Which one do you guys roll for? Ugh. That's a tough one. That is a tough one. So not cool. Right. Right. Freaking unbelievable. So is this happening here as well? What do you guys think? Let's risk this one. That's pretty. That doesn't look like it's happening. Well, 1 1 1 2, 1 1 1 2 reflection, and then it's gonna be big. Fuck it. Now I said duck it. Do we have anything like this? Nope. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Ah, that's interesting. Okay, I don't like any of these. Let's move on. Nope. Look at this. 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. Interesting. Bing. Ugh, I want to see this happen so bad. Oh my goodness. You see this? You see that? I want to see this happen. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And I want it to go up. Holy moly. Why not? And the big one, Powerball, folks. Powerball is our last one. So we have something. Look at that. Look at this. It's right here. This whole thing right here from actually 1011 to 100. It's just that I'm not convinced that it's gonna come out. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm not even gonna argue. I'm just gonna say that this is gonna be the next one. It's hard for me not to pick something that seems to have going to happen. It's usually probably those are usually the tricky ones where they actually look at this. Look at this, folks. That's what I'm talking about. But the pattern often breaks at some point. But we're gonna risk it anyway. So there you go. That concludes our picks for the patterns for Powerball. I'm going to submit it now, and I'll see you in a few minutes, and we're gonna decode this. All right, folks. Later.